G'day everybody, in this video I'm going to share with you what I did in week 4 post-renovation. Let's get your lawn on. So this lawn is actually screaming along really well, even though it's early in the season and the weather hasn't been the best. On the Sunday, I got down my pre-emergent herbicide. So I'm a real fan of doing a pre-emergent herbicide when your lawn is near full recovery. It's the perfect base to get your pre-emergent down. So I put down 200 mils of moist and 40 mils of Spartan herbicide and watered that in for about 20 minutes. There's no point doing it 2 months ago when the soil was, compact and the lawn's in worst condition possible. Just wait till you've done that renovation, honestly. The next day, seeing as I've got near full recovery, I've put down 300 mils of green light tank mixed with plant growth regulator at 10 mils of Primo Max per the 100 square meters here. That's to make the growth become a bit more dense, a bit more manageable. I'll do another video about plant growth regulator in the future. When it comes to watering, I'm now not doing the syringe watering because I've got the near full recovery of the lawn. Now I'm now going to deep infrequent watering, done in the morning and sort of semi-deeply, a couple of times a week. So on a Tuesday and a Friday, I'm putting down about 20 minutes of water. Now mows are twice a week. On the second mow, I do my edging. Edging's really nice to do because it basically makes your lawn look really neat, really clean. It's just the best thing when you've got a great lawn and the edges are just crisp. So now I'm getting into my mow regime. So I mow twice a week. So the mows that I did for the renovation were at 12 millimeters. I'm now mowing at 10. Look, as you can see, it's looking really fantastic. So a 20-minute water on a Tuesday, 20-minute water on a Friday, and 2 mows a week, that's my regime. So my second mow that I did, actually really nice day that I did it. It was great to film that day. I did a diamond pattern. So that was at 10 mil. And now I've just followed the normal pattern that I've done initially with my lines up and down this way. But then I've just gone diagonally following the line of the driveway path there. And it looks really nice. And the good thing about that is it doesn't make my lawn lap in the same direction each time. So that's really good to change up your mows and your cuts. So for 4 weeks, this is going along really well. If you enjoyed this video, great, give us a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and get your lawn on. We'll see you in the next one.